Hey everyone, Emmy from the Poplar Tree Paw Tech Squad here. We wanted to share some tips with you for ensuring that you are a digital citizen while using Blackboard Collaborate Ultra.
Hi, this is Loki here to remind you that you should always type school-appropriate things, and also things that are only related to school. Because when you type things that are off-topic, a lot of kids can get distracted from their work, especially when the teacher is talking.
Always write things in the chat that are school appropriate because other students can see what you are writing and the teachers can check on what you write even after you leave the session. If you have any questions, you can type that in the chat and it may be helpful to other students who have the same question and it may be answered.
I'm here to remind you to not spam typing the same thing over and over again because other people may lose their interest on learning and pay their attention to the chat.
Make sure to mute your microphone when you are not talking. You can do this by pressing the mic icon at the bottom of your screen so that there's a slash through the icon.
Hi, this is Birdie. I'm here to remind you not to talk out of turn during your online sessions. This is important because if we talk out of turn, it'll be harder to focus and understand what the teacher is saying. The better solution is to raise your hand and wait for the teacher to call on you before you speak. The raise your hand feature looks like this, and it's located on the bottom of your Blackboard Collaborate screen. Using the raise your hand button ensures that you are not distracting others and everyone can hear both you and your teacher speak.
Other things you don't want to do is move your camera around. It will be hard for teachers to see you and it may be distracting for other students. Places that may be good for you are your desk, your kitchen table, a quiet spot.
Make sure you use these tips, and always remember to be a good digital citizen. Thank you.
Together, we can make distance learning a great success.